In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Garmin Forerunner 265 for running. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up your Garmin watch and use it for running or any other activities. To start, connect it to a phone. So if you want to do this and connect it to an Android device or an iOS device, all that you have to do is download the latest version of the Garmin Connect application. Immediately upon doing this, when you first power on the Garmin Forerunner 265 and you set up the language, it's going to ask you if you want to pair it to a mobile device or a phone. So choose yes, and you can also find this option under the settings. When you choose pair phone, you will be redirected into the Garmin Connect application. In here, all that you have to do is tap add device, and you will be able to browse between various different models of Garmin watches and devices. All that you have to do is select the Garmin Forerunner 265 and finish the setup through the application. So choose Forerunner, go over here on the list, 265, and put it in close proximity of your iOS or Android device. You will be able to input a code to get them connected. After this is done, you can now use your Forerunner 265. When you press the start or stop button on the watch, you will be able to access the activity menu and configure how you want to set up your run. So you will be able to choose start stop, select run, and all of the data will be acquired. While you are running, your watch will track your distance, pace, heart rate, and other metrics. You can view your real-time data on the watch screen, and you can also customize the data screens that are displayed on your watch. So if you want to focus on a specific piece of data, you will be able to customize it to your preferences. It is intuitive, easy to set up, and it is going to work flawlessly, even if you don't connect it to your phone. By using the Garmin Connect application, however, you can set up a schedule, and you will have a lot more features included. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect and use Garmin Forerunner 265 for running. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.